I suppose Naledi Apiwe wanted to buy a PS5 as she googled it and posted this video of the sold out PS5s in South Africa, and she captioned it Sileti Bafazi, right? And she doesn't specify who she was buying the PS5 for. And looking at Valentine's Day is around the corner, we don't know. But as far as we know on social media, she is single and is a lady. Also, like women also do play like PS5s. They do have do you know that they do have like PlayStations, they do have Xbox. I mean, it's not only for men, but I'm just saying that the time frame of it kind of seems like she would have probably bought it for her boyfriend had she had the money. I mean, had she had a boyfriend, I'm sorry, because she does have the money. I mean, look at the prices of the PS5. Oh my goodness, buying that for a man at a go, I shame. Some women have money, ke, but I suppose Silit Bafazi, we will have to try and see what's in the market that we can buy our boyfriends, those who are in a relationship. So, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.